We shall discuss important MCQs, part 5, of criminology. These MCQs will be helpful for you in the competitive exams. Please consider to subscribe if are new here. And like the video. Italian economist Cesare Beccaria's book on crime and punishments helped to found, that is now called which school of criminology? A. Classical. B. Interactionist. C. Conflict. D. Functionalist. Correct answer is option A. The roots of which theory lie in classical school, but its modern inspiration comes from economic model of rational decision-making and more generally from a growing emphasis in sociology and other fields on the rationality of human behavior? A. Conflict. B. Rational choice. C. Classical. D. Interactionist. Correct answer is option B. What deterrence refers to the impact of people's perception of the likelihood and severity of legal punishment? A. General. B. Subjective. C. Objective. D. Specific. Correct answer is option B. The view that crime results from forces beyond the control of the individual is the key belief of a way of thinking known as A. Phrenology. B. Positivism. C. Free will. D. Functionalism. Correct answer is option B. One of the earliest biological explanation of crime, popular from the mid-1700s to mid-1800s, that is known as, and concerned the size and shape of skull? A. Phrenology. B. Somatotype theory. C. Atavism. D. Positivism. Correct answer is option A. Who is regarded as founder of the positivist school of criminology? A. Ernest Houdin. B. Franz Gall. C. Cesare Lombroso. D. Cesare Beccaria. Correct answer is option C. Influenced by Darwin's work on evolution, Cesare Lombroso thought criminals were what, or throwbacks, to an earlier stage of evolution? A. Lost souls. B. Atavists. C. Functionalists. D. Anomic. Correct answer is option B. In the late 1930s, anthropologist Ernest Houdin concluded that the primary cause of crime is A. Poverty. B. Drug use. C. Biological inferiority. D. Inadequate social control. Correct answer is option C. In his theory of somatology, William Sheldon identified 3 different body shapes that affect people's personalities and the crimes they commit. Which of following is not one of the Sheldon's body types? A. Ectomorph. B. Endomorph. C. Mesomorph. D. Dentomorph. Correct answer is option D. When both members of a pair act alike, we have A. Divergence. B. Discordance. C. Concordance. D. Convergence. Correct answer is option C. The chromosomal pattern that most interests some criminologists is A. XYY. B. XX. C. XY. D. YY. Correct answer is option A. Which of following is a problem associated with biological explanations of crime? A. Crime is simply too diverse. Even if biological factors account for some violent aggression, they wouldn't explain the vast majority of criminality. B. There are methodological problems, including small, unrepresentative samples of offenders and inadequate control groups. C. Group rate differences. D. A, B, and C are all correct. Correct answer is option D. Which of following is not one of the components of the Freudian view of personality? A. Looking glass self. B. IDC superego. D. Ego. Correct answer is option A. Social structure is more popularly referred to as A. Macrosociology. B. Group conditions. C. Social environment. D. Socioeconomics. Correct answer is option C. In virtually all his work, Durkheim emphasized two related mechanisms by which society was able to limit individual impulses and prevent chaos. These two mechanisms are A. Family and groups, B. Socialization and social ties, C. Group and organizations, D. Norms and values. Correct answer is option B. Durkheim's most notable application of his theory involving socialization and social ties was to A. The work ethic, B. Suicide, C. Crime, D. Divorce. Correct answer is option B. Robert E. Park and Ernest W. Burgess developed an ecological analysis of Chicago neighborhoods. Their type of analysis has since been called what approach? A. Conflict, B. Social ecological, C. Functionalist, D. Social disorganization. Correct answer is option B. The most devastating criticism of Shaw and McKay's social disorganization theory has concerned their A. Reliance on official records for measuring delinquency rates, B. Lack of random samples, C. Poor methodology, D. Weak generalization. Correct answer is option A. Émile Durkheim thought that deviance rises when which factor increases? A. Group solidarity, B. Suicide, C. Crime, D. Normlessness, or enemy. Correct answer is option D. The text points out that one reason the poor become angry and frustrated might be their realization that other people in society are much richer. This realization leads them to experience A. Status frustration, B. Class consciousness, C. Enemy, D. Relative deprivation. Correct answer is option D. The revival of ecological theories reflects the belief of many scholars that what matters more than kinds of people? A. Norms and values, B. Groups and organizations, C. Neighborhoods, D. Kinds of places. Correct answer is option D. Robert K. Merton reasoned that every society includes cultural goals and intuitional means, norms, about how to reach those goals. When these two dimensions lack harmony, the result is A. Revolution, B. Group solidarity, C. Enemy, D. Collective conscience. Correct answer is option C. In Robert Merton's strain theory, the mode of adaptation called what results when people continue to accept the goal of economic success but reject the means of working to achieve success? A. Conformity, B. Innovation, C. Rebellion, D. Retreatism. Correct answer is option B. In Robert K. Merton's strain theory, when people reject both the goal of economic success and the means of working, the resulting mode of adaptation is A. Retreatism, B. Rebellion, C. Ritualism, D. Innovation. Correct answer is option A. Robert Agnew's which theory of delinquency and Broughton's enemy theories focus beyond economic goals and success? A. General strain, B. Social disorganization, C. Labeling, D. Conflict. Correct answer is option A. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, and comment if it was helpful to you.